I need a new bag for my work and I want one that is personalized with my name and my profession. So I'm going to decorate my own bag for work. Very good, people. How's it going? I need a new bag to go to work and want to customize this one. Obviously, I want it to be a unique and personalized design with my profession, with my name, with everything related to me. So if you want to see how we upload this cloth bag and you want to learn how to decorate bag, Tetela like this, stay because you are interested in it. Video, how are you saying let's decorate my new work bag? And I also thought about adding this toiletry purse. So cute to put in, well, keys, glasses, anyway, etc. And I want to make him a partner with the bag we are going to decorate. As I said at the beginning, we are going to do it with the sublimation technique. So you are going to see how I do it. I'm going to give you temperature, pressure, the materials that I use so that you can do it too. Obviously, for this technique, we are going to need a thermal iron. I am going to use this thermal iron that is from the Lovely brand and the materials are spectacular. What are we going to use? It's going to be everybody. You are going to need sublimation sheets, thermal tape and a thermal iron. The first thing we are going to do is design and print our design. Next we go to the canvas application where we are going to give shape and size to our designs for both the tote and the toiletry bag. For the tote, it will be in a 4-way format, and for the toiletry bag, a rectangular format. The most important thing is that we are going to rotate it horizontally because this way we are going to be able to sublimate in mirror mode. Since you will later see it when gluing the paper, the design has to be turned upside down. Once this is done, we are going to print our designs and continue with the steps. Well, the next thing we are going to do is prepare our tota, and we are going to give it a little pre-iron, but nothing for a couple of seconds, simply because it is not very wrinkled. We have removed the lint from it with that roller and put it in our thermal iron. Once the pre-ironing is finished, we are going to take it out and we are going to place it. We prepare our design, and as you can see the design, we are going to rotate it so that the part where the ink is on the tote with thermal tape, we are going to glue it all around. We are going to glue it with thermal tape so that it is very well stuck to the bag. We don't want any holes left or air pockets left inside. Next, we have programmed our iron 200 edge and we have set it 37 seconds. You can set between 35 and 45 seconds of ironing for canvas fabric since these bags are made of canvas. We put the Teflon paper, adjust the time and hit the button and let it start. Once you are done, let's remove the tray. Be careful with the typhoon paper that usually sticks a little bit. We removed it and now the bag is very hot, so be very careful. Don't it get burned. We are going to remove the design, I repeat very carefully because it is peeling. We are going to see the result. We do the same process with the toiletry bag. We put it on, we remove the lint, we place the design upside down. And we glue well with hot melt tape, and once the time is up, we remove Teflon paper exactly the same. Be very careful because right now the crepalera is also burning and nothing. Look how beautiful the result is. The truth is that it is a very nice way to be able to decorate your own tote. Leave me in the comments what did you think of the result. And subscribe to the channel, that helps me a lot. Transforming a simple bag into a unique design is easy. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it inspiring. See you next time.